Okay, this video is to show you how to tie threads, to change threads on your machine without unthreading your machine. So you can just tie them off and run them through without unthreading your machine. Now the first thing I want to show you is the knot. The knot we're using is a square knot, and what you do, you take the two threads that you're using, you cross them, looks like that, and then you cross them this way, so it looks like that. So you see one thread is going over, one thread is going under, and that will not come undone. So this is the type of knot that you want to use on your thread. So I'll show you again. Let me undo this. Okay. You're gonna go over, and then under and pull, and this is the knot you want to use because it does not come undone. Okay, so taking this knot, this is how I'm going to change the threads. You cut the thread close to the spool. I'm going to cut that one, this one, and that one. And you take the spools off that you do not want, and you put your new spools on. Okay, and then you take the old thread and you tie it like I just showed you. You tie the thread together. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And once everything is tied, it's ready to pull through. So here come the threads. There's the one coming down because I'm pulling at the bottom, and if it needs some help, just kind of help it through. If it feels like it's going to get stuck, you don't want to break the thread, so help it through. There's one, and here comes number 2, going down and through and up, and then the last comes this one is going. Just keep pulling, and there it is. So you did not have to unthread your machine, and you're ready to go. And I'll show you that knot again so you can get it. Okay, here we go. Over, and back over the top. Okay, so that's the knot. Okay, you can do it.